Hi there, it's Brian Elder, Brian Elder Roofing. We're on top of the dentist office and the H&R Block office, which, by the way, although they have doors next door to each other, the dentist office is actually behind the H&R Block. And the biggest problem in both is right back here. In fact, we're right over the dentist office, and this is the one place on this entire roof. Everywhere you see, I mean, this is just like the Kroger building, where in as much as it's a very old roof, same kind of modified bitumen roof. However, your problems are just back here. All of this is where water is ponding. Water has no place to escape, but it should have enough of a fall or a pitch to take it right over the side of this roof and into these gutters. That's what this is designed for. However, the pond is lower than this, so that's never going anywhere except for either evaporating eventually or right into the building. Some of the worst spots are around these stacks and the vents. You can see here you get some alligatoring tar on the side of these stacks. They're just old and poorly maintained. Right here, this is, so we've at least isolated your problem on this one. This entire air conditioning unit was a very, very old unit, but it's underneath it and everywhere just really has given up. And so there's another problem that we haven't isolated, and that is, though I'm showing you the back of the building, they have complained about water in the front of the building in the same line as that. So, and walking forward, we're having a hard time finding, although generally speaking, this roof is just in such a state that the water could be getting from anywhere, because all of these seams are suspect. But there is no ponding area up here. You can see certain areas like this where, I can get my finger right up underneath it, right? So there's a lot of that. So the front one is going to be harder to diagnose because the roof really needs to be replaced. But if we're just trying to stop the leaking, that's going to be a tough one. We might be able to isolate it with some further investigation, but as of now, the problems are all back there.